Hey everybody, what's going on? Thanks for coming by and checking out my channel. My name is Jason the Blessed Beardsman. On my channel, I normally do beard product reviews and men's grooming product reviews, but tonight I'm going to start a different series altogether and talk about another one of my hobbies, and that's fishing. For my birthday in July, my wife got me a 6-month subscription to Lucky Tackle Box. So on tonight's video, I'm going to do an unboxing of my August edition of my Bass XL from Lucky Tackle Box. So not sure if everybody's going to like this or not, but I thought, hey, why not? Let's try to dabble in something a little bit different for a change. So I have here my Lucky Tackle Box. Again, it's the Bass XL edition, and it's for the month of August. Lucky Tackle Box has 3 different tiers. They have a regular edition, an XL edition, and I believe a Pro edition, and this is the middle one, the XL. So let's dive right into the box. The first thing that I want you to notice is how well that it's packaged. It comes in with this paper with the nice sticker there, really nicely done, and really impressed with that. The first thing right off the bat, in every box that they send, you get a nice little sticker. This is Lunker Hunt, and I believe Lunker Hunt is a tackle company or a lure company. So that's going to go right on a cooler that my son got me for my birthday. So when we go fishing to the pier or surf fishing or to the inlet or jetty, when we keep fish, that goes in the cooler. So that's going to go on that cooler. The next thing in here is the Lucky Tackle Box's tackle guide. It's a 20-page guide, and it talks about everything in the box and has some extra info. The first thing that you'll see in here is a letter from the founder and information on their bass fishing tournament that they have every month. You pay $5, you get in, you upload your pictures, and I believe the top 50 people people that place get a prize. So the next pages are then about what is in your Lucky Tackle Box. So the first thing that is in there is the Big Mouth Baits. What is it? Big Mouth Baits Slam Dance Square Bill. And this is for a medium depth. This is a medium depth lure. It retails for $6.99. So let's take a look at that here. That here is chartreuse and black with a little bit of red on the bottom. It has a square bill, which helps it get down to that medium depth. 2 different treble hooks, one kind of on the breast of the fish and one at the back end of the fish. So that is Big Mouth Baits, and that is their Slam Dance Square Bill. The next thing in the box is the Clear Cut CC5000, and this is also a mid-depth lure, and it says on here, I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but it says right there on the picture that it's a bait or a lure so new they don't even have a picture of it yet. So maybe this is just coming out of production, and it is a white-headed spinnerbait with the metal kind of beveled little spinner there. So really awesome lure there. I use these occasionally as I bass fish, and so that's some good stuff right there. The next thing that Clear Cut CC5000 MSRPs for $4.99. The next thing in this box is a package of swim baits. They retail for $3.99, and is the Bait Mate Leech. Now I'm from South Florida, and I've never used a leech before. This is for bottom fishing, and it comes in an 8-pack. They're 3.5 inches long, black. There's a lot of the liquid, the scent down there, so I won't take them out, but it's a prolonged scent. They're durable, biodegradable, and reusable. So I'll definitely have to check those out. That's from Bait Mate, and again, they're $3.99 MSRP. The next thing is really unique to me. Never seen anything like this. Never tried it, obviously, if I've never seen it. And that is from Bait Cloud, and that is a fish attractant. Comes in a little package like this, and it looks like a bath bomb. I bought my wife some bath bombs for Mother's Day. She never used them. They're still sitting in the bathroom. But this is a multi-species bait cloud, kind of like a bait bomb that you put in and it kind of fizzes, and I guess it lets out an attractant. So I'll definitely have to check those out. Never seen that before, so that might be something a little bit different. It does not tell me a price on that, so that's something new. Then the next thing is the Mustad's KVD triple grip Mustad hooks, like that. These can be used at any depth. You can either replace the treble hooks on your existing lures, or I've seen some people fish with them just with putting some bait on the treble hook, which I don't do, but these retail for $3.49. They're the size 6, and they're 6 in the little package there. So really cool hooks there. They have, the next thing is the Texas Tackle, can't speak. The next thing is the Texas Tackle Jacksonville Jerk. It retails for $6.99. Another lure there, swim bait. And this is a mid-depth lure as well. And this is a really pretty lure. It has a bunch of different colors in it. Starts off blue, goes to white, yellow, and then some orange on the bottom. Has, again, 2 different treble hooks there. One at the mid section, one at the back. And it also has kind of an oval shaped, rounded shaped lip there. So it can help it get down to the mid depth. Again, that goes for $6.99. The next thing that they have is a swim bait from BD Baits, and that is Boyd Duckett Baits. You see that right there. It does not tell me which one which one goes in there. It is a Bass XL box only jerk bait, and so this is the one that is theirs that came in the box. This is a 0.375 ounce. It dives 2 to 4 feet. It's silver and gray and white. Has actually 3 sets of treble hooks. Don't know if you can see that there. 3 different sets. One kind of in the chest area, one down farther here, and then one at the end. Has a lip there as well that is more rounded. So that is their BDJ 95, and it dives 2 to 4 feet. They don't give me a price point on that one. The last thing that comes in the box is a $1,000 bait. And what that is they put a bait in there where if you take a picture with and upload it, you get put into a drawing or a contest, and you can win a prize. And this one is from the Mismo Bait Company, and it is a package of the Edge, what they call the Edge or Experience the Edge, and those are 5 soft plastic swim baits. They're a brown color, like a golden brown color with some specks in there of like neon green and black flakes. It says Mismo's own special attractant made from real bait fish. The Edge has been proven to cause violent tendencies in fish, causing them to strike harder and hold on longer. So I've never seen them this shape before. I know different people have received different kinds. I've watched another video about this box, and they got kind of a finesse worm. So that should be interesting. Not even sure how you hook these. I'm going to have to watch a video about it. That's one thing that Lucky Tackle Box is really good about, is they have a lot of different videos and helps on their website, on their YouTube page, and so you can get an idea about how to use these different products and different lures and so forth from them to help out in your fishing journey. So recap, this is my Bass XL edition, my August box, and you got the $1,000 bait, the Mismo bait, soft plastic swims. You have the BD series, the BDJ 95 swim bait from Boyd Duckett Company. You have the Big Mouth Baits mid-level swim bait, little lip there, a couple of treble hooks. You have the Texas Tackle Company swim bait. Really nice looking lure there. You have the Clear Cut, the CC 5000 spinning lure. There, whitehead there. You have the 6-pack of the 6-size Mustad hooks. You have the Bait Mate Ultra Live Bait, the 3.5 black leeches. 8 of them come in that package with all the fish attraction liquid there. You have the Bait Cloud, where you drop it in and it attracts fish, multi-species there. And last but not least, you have the Lunker Hunt sticker. So that's gonna go in my cooler. Hope you liked the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Let me know down in the description box or in the comment section down below what you thought about this video. I do have a code that I will put down in the description box below, where if you want to get your own subscription box, you can use my code and save $5 off your box. And I'll put that down there below. But just thought maybe I change it up a little bit, do a couple of these videos each month as I get the new box so you can see what comes in them if you're interested in that yourself. Hope you have a great night. Make sure that you like, subscribe, notification bell, all that good stuff. And until we see you on the next one, stay blessed. Bye-bye.